Hey! Pay attention!
You turd!
Well, Emma's got a dog now.
Mm.
And say Emma.
Where are you going?
And Emma.
Yeah.
Fuck knows!
It's just upset my kitten.
She needs to pull over.
Morning.
How are you?
How are you doing, sir?
I'm fine.
Cool. Just stopping to speak to you.
Yeah?
You got your driving licence on you at all, mate?
I don't have a driver's license. I've just, I have one, sorry. I have a driver's license. I lost it.
Oh, you lost
yeah,
it? Okay.
I did. I can give you, I've got a passport. No, I don't have my passport with me. I can give
Any
you my
ID,
name.
bank card, anything like that?
Bank card.
Is it your vehicle?
Yes, it is. I just pulled over because I got sick and I ate my dinner. And that was it. And then I fell asleep.
Cool. As I'm speaking to you,
Yeah.
I can smell cannabis in this vehicle.
Cannabis?
It smells like
I don't
cannabis.
have
Okay. Also,
Honestly, I don't.
have you not?
No. No, I don't. I don't, honestly. I
Okay.
don't smoke cannabis.
Also, there's also intelligence to believe that this vehicle's involved in drug supply. Okay. So at the moment you're going to be stopped and searched under Section 23 of the Misuse of Drugs Act.
Really?
Yeah. I'm PC from Fort Wood
hold
Police
on.
Station.
This is crazy.
Okay, listen to it. I'm PC Fort Wood Police Station. You are detained for the purposes of the search under Section 23 of the Misuse of Drugs Act. Take a breath, take a breath. No. It's fine. Because
It's not fine.
if there's no drugs in the car, then it's fine, isn't it? So have a breath.
Can hold on a second.
So like I say,
back to work tomorrow.
it's fine, but you're not under arrest unless there's
I've been
drugs.
off for a year.
Okay, again, that's fine. You're not under arrest. You're not getting arrested. All right. Not at the moment. Like I say, unless suddenly I open the boot and there's like 10 kilos of cocaine or something in the boot. Do you know what I mean? So something really extreme. Then my hands are tied.
I'm gonna be honest with you.
Yeah.
There is something in the car.
What's in the car, mate?
Huh? There's a bag of stuff that I was taking to somebody's house.
Okay. When you say bag of stuff, what is it?
I have no clue because it was left at my house.
Okay. So,
And
well, but when you say stuff, is it illegal stuff or is it just
it's
stuff?
illegal stuff. It's illegal stuff.
Okay.
And I didn't want it in the house. That's why I got rid of it.
Okay. Just.
I don't want any problems.
Let's slow down. Slow down. Okay.
I put it all in one bag.
Yes, it's all in one bag.
Yes.
Okay. So obviously, because of what's been found, you are going to be getting arrested. Okay. So at the moment you're under arrest on suspicion of possession of a controlled drug with intent to supply. So you do not have to say anything. It may harm your defence if you do not mention when questioned something which you later on court, and anything you do say may be given evidence. And obviously, the reason for your arrest is to secure and preserve evidence by way of searches.
Say that again.
For searches, so we allow us to do searches, and to allow us to do a prompt investigation defence. So interview you, ask you questions, do things like
on bail?
downloads and things like that. That's a long way down the line.
How far down the line?
How far down the line? You're going to get interviewed, aren't you? Well, once you've been interviewed, then
Let's make it quick.
So listen to me. Toby, relax.
Oh my God.
Toby, relax and listen to me. So once you get interviewed, they basically make a decision whether they've got further inquiries, and no further action or charge. Okay?
It's not going to be no further action or charge. I understand that. I just don't want to be in jail.
I'm on the road again. I ain't got no woman just to call my special friend.
okay. It's not so bad.
Yeah, he was going to go into the side of me. He wanted to go down there. You don't know where you're going, do you? Please turn left. Good. Come on. What did you do? Take your handbrake off. That'll normally help. Look, you know that tool was good.